All right. So let's just recap what we've seen so far. Okay, so we know that we're going to label our hiker's weight as X, and then we're going to label the backpack weight as X as well. Okay, and we also know that to find the total weight is going to be X plus Y. So that means that we'll add the hiker's weight and also add the backpack's weight. So we're going to add these two numbers together to get the total weight. Now remember, you had to convert the pounds and also ounces. You have to convert everything into ounces. So these numbers that are in parentheses, those are the actual total number of ounces. So basically, hiker's weight is in ounces is all the numbers in parentheses, and the backpack weight in parentheses is the ounces. Okay. So if you don't remember how to find the ounces, I'll put my calculator here so I can show you. All right, so I'm just going to do this one for example. So what you do is you take the number that's in pounds, you're going to multiply that number to 16, and then you add the number of ounces. So I added that, and I multiplied 152 to 16, and I added 4. And that's how I got my 2,436. I'll try this one. 107 times 16. Now that I got that, I'm going to add 10 now. Add 10, and I have 1,722. Okay? All right. So now let's come here. So I'm going to go back over the part where you have to find this missing value. So remember, the unit rate is 2 over 21. So what we're doing to this X is we're going to multiply the total number of ounces right here to 2 over 21. And that's going to get us the Y. So let's go ahead and watch how I do it. So I take 1,092, I multiply it to 2 over 21. And to do that, I just put in parentheses and divide it so I can do that. So then I get 104. Everybody see that? Try that one more time. Let's take it real slow. 1,092. I'm going to multiply that to 2 over 21. And this is my unit rate. And I get 104. Okay? And remember, to find your total weight, you're going to add these two numbers together. So when you add 1,092 to 104, you get 1,196. Okay? All right. So the next part, this is a little bit more complex. We're trying to find, now we're trying to actually find what X is. So to do that, we have to multiply these numbers here to our unit rate. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start with this one. I have, well, excuse me, not we're going to multiply it, but first we have to divide it. So we're dividing 140 divided by this unit rate. Okay? So I'm going to stop here, and I'm going to show you on the next slide how we're going to solve this. So make sure that you go back and rewatch this video so you can see how I converted, the backpack weight and how I got that number in ounces. So make sure you do that and go back and rewatch the video and watch the next slide so we can